Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about new chapter. We start new chapter relation, and some topic is to be cleared, like as Cartesian. First of all, we discuss about Cartesian. One important thing is this chapter is Cartesian product of sets. Okay. First of all, we discuss ordered pair, and we discuss about equality of ordered pair, and we discuss about Cartesian product of sets. Okay, and we discuss about Cartesian product of three sets, and we discuss about diagrammatic representation of Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, now we discuss about new topic, that is graphical, that is graphical represent graphical representation of Cartesian product of Cartesian product of sets. Okay, the next topic is graphical representation of Cartesian product of sets. Let's take a question. If a set A is equal to 1, 2 and 3, and set B is equal to 2, 4. Okay, find A cross B and show it graphically. Okay, now let's see. First of all, we find the Cartesian product of this set, that is A cross B. Now first of all, if we find A cross B, here A is 1, 2, 3, Cartesian product cos B means second 2, 4. Okay, now you know that the Cartesian product of two sets A and A cross A and B is the sets of all ordered pair of AB such that A belongs in A and B belong in B. Okay, now here we find A cross B is equal to 1 2 comma 1 4 2 2 and 2 4. Okay, 3 2, now finally 3 4. Okay, this is the Cartesian product of these sets. Now we show it graphically. Now in order to represent A cross B graphically, we draw two perpendicular line OX and OY. First of all, we draw two perpendicular line OX and OY as shown in this figure. Okay, now we represent the set A. We represent the set A by 3 points on OX. Okay, and the set B by 2 points on OY. Okay, 2 points OY. Then set A cross B. Let's see. First of all, we represent the set A by 3 points on OX, that is 1 2, 3. Okay, on y, on ox we represent the set A by 3 points as 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and the set B, that is 2b, only 2 elements by 2 points on y, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and here we 4. Okay, in order to represent A cross B graphically, first of all we draw two perpendicular lines like OX and OI as shown in this figure. Now we represent the set A by 3 points 1, 2 and 3 on OX, and we represent the set B by 2 points on line OY. Okay, now we represent the set A cross B by 6 points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let's see, first point order pair is 1, 2, so there is 1, 2. In that point we represent 1, 2. Okay, second one 1, 4, that is 1 and 4, here we represent here 1, 4. Okay, now we take 2, 2, that is 2, 2, here we represent the point ordered pair 2, 2. Now we represent 2, 4, that is at that point 2, 4. Okay, now 3, 2, 3, 2 at that point 3, 2. Now on x-axis 3 represent at x-axis and 2 represent at y-axis. Now 3, 4, 3, 4 at that point we represent 3, 4. So here the set A cross B is represented by the 6 points as shown in this figure. This is the graphical representation of Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, yes, let's see once more time. First of all you find the Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, then we draw two perpendicular line OX and OY. Okay, as shown in this figure. Now we represent the set A, by 3 points 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and the set B by 2 points on OY, that is 2 and 4. Okay, now the set A cross B represented by 6 points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as shown in this figure. Okay, so this is the graphical representation of Cartesian product of two sets. Now let's take some questions based on Cartesian product. Take some question. Let find x and y. Find x and y if x plus 3 comma 5 is equal to 6 comma 2x plus y. Okay, now solve it. Now we know that by the definition of equality, of ordered pairs, okay, that is x plus 3 comma 5 is equal to 6 comma 2x plus y. So by the definition of equality of ordered pairs, we have x plus 3 is equal to 6 and 2x plus y is equal to 5. So we have x is equal to 6 minus 3, that is x is equal to 3, and here we put x is equal to 3 at that point. So 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 5. So we have y is equal to 5 minus 3 2s are 6. So we get y is equal to minus 1. This is one answer. Okay, this is an. So the value of x is 3 and the value of y is minus 1. So in this way we solve that type of questions, okay, by the concept of equality of order pairs. Okay, now we take some other questions. Now we take some other questions based on the Cartesian product of sets. Okay, let's see question. Question is, if set A is equal to 1 2 3 comma B is equal to 3 4 and the set C is equal to 1 3 5. Okay, find first point A cross B union C. A cross B union C. Second, A cross B intersection C. Third question is your A cross B intersection A cross C. This is the questions. Okay, here three sets are given: A 1 2 3, B 3 4, and third set C 1 3 5. Okay, find first A cross B union C, A cross B intersection C, and A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay, now let's solve first question. Take first question, find A cross B union C na. So first of all we find B union C. So we find B union C. The value of set B is 3 4 union, and the third set C is given by 1 3 5. 1 3 5. Okay, so we have B union C as 1 3 4 5. 1 3 4 5. This is the one A B union C. Now we find A cross B union C. That is, the set A is 1 2 3 cross B union C, and the value of B union C is 1 3 4 5. Right here 1 3 4 5. 1 3 4 5. Okay, now solve it. So the set of all A cross B, A order pair AB, let's see, 1 1 comma 1 3. Okay, 1 4 1 5. Okay, 2 1 2 1 2 3 2 4 2 5, and finally 3 1 3 3, 3 4 and 3 5. Okay, so this is your answer. This is your answer. Okay, now second question, we take second question. We find A cross B intersection C. So first of all we find B intersection C. Okay, so first of all if we find B intersection C, the value of set B is 3 4, intersection the value of set C is 1 3 5. So only 3 is the element which is common in both B and C. So the value of B intersection C is 3. Now A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection C is equal to, the value of A is 1 2 3 cross and B intersection C is 3. Okay, so we have 1 3 2 3 and 3 3. Okay, so the value of A cross B intersection C is 1 3 2 3 and 3 3. This is your answer. Okay, now in third question, we find A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay, now first of all we find A cross B. Now we find A cross B. So the value of A is 1 2 3 cross and the value of B is 3 4. So that is 1 3 1 4. Okay, now 2 3 2 4 comma 3 3 comma 3 4. Okay, all the elements of the Cartesian product of two sets A cross B is that. Okay, now we find A cross C. We find A cross C. The value of A is 1 2 3 and cross the value of C is 1 3 5. 1 3 5. Okay, so here we find 1 1 1 1 1 3 1 5 1 1 1 1 1 3 1 5. Okay, comma 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 2 5. Okay, and now 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 3 and 3 5. This is the Cartesian product of sets A cross B, A cross C. Now the value of A cross B intersection A cross C na. So now the value of A cross B intersection A cross C, the sets of all elements which are common in both A cross B and A cross C. Let's see. First common elements is 1 3 in both A cross B as well as A cross C. So here A cross B and A cross B and A cross C 1 3 1 3. Okay, now we observe that 2 3 2 3 is the common in both A cross B and A cross C. Okay, so 2 3. Now one common uncommon order pair is 3 3 in both A cross B and A cross C. So last is 3 3. Okay, so this is the elements of A cross B intersection A cross C. This is your answer. Okay, so dear students, you solve that type of questions in this way, okay. Now we take now next type of questions are on finding sets on finding sets A and B when A cross B or some elements of A cross B are given. On finding sets A and B when A cross B or some elements of A cross B are given. Okay, now take some question. Let set A is equal to 1 2 3. Okay, and another set B is equal to x such that x belong natural number, that is x is prime less than 5, okay. Find A cross B and B cross A. Now first of all we finding the set B. Okay, here the set B is given by x such that x belong natural number and x is a prime less than 5. So here the according to this statement, the elements of set B is 2 and 3 only. 2 and 3 only, because of here x is a prime no, and less than 5. So 2 and 3 are prime number which is less than 5. So the required set is B is equal to 2 3. Now we find A cross B. Now we find A cross B. Here A is 1 2 3, cross B is 2 3. So we find that 1 2 1 2 1 3 2 2 2 3 3 2 3 3. Okay. Similarly, we find the set B cross A. Similarly, we find the set B cross A. Okay. Now, first of all, we write the set B, which is 2 3, cross the set A is 1 2 3. So we have 2 1 2 2 2 3. Okay. Now 3 1 3 2 and finally 3 3 3 3. This is the required value of A cross B and A cross B and B cross B. आ रहे हैं. This is answer. Okay. So dear students, you solve this type of questions in this way. Okay. Suppose that take one another question in this type of questions. If A cross B is equal to A1 comma A5 comma A2 comma B2 comma B5 comma B1 comma B1. Okay. Find B cross A. Find B cross A. Now solve it. First of all, clearly B cross A can be obtained from A cross B by interchanging the integers of the ordered pair in A cross B. Interchanging the integers of ordered pair in A cross B. Okay, so the value of B cross A is 1A 5A 2A 2B 5B and 1B. Okay. If the value of A cross B is to be given and you find the value of B cross A, then the value of B cross A can be obtained from A cross B by interchanging the integers of order pairs in A cross B. Okay, so in this way you find the value of B cross A. Okay, only by interchanging the order pair in A cross B you find the value of B cross A. Okay, so dear students, first of all you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on these concepts. Okay, thank you.